Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease associated with aging and movement, and contributes to a lot of severe pain. In adults, almost 10% of people over the age of 60 suffer from OA. Maybe someone in your life has osteoarthritis. For me, it's my grandmother. In horses, osteoarthritis is naturally occurring and contributes to about 60% of lameness within the entire population, making them a perfect model to study and research osteoarthritis. The disease progresses because cells within the joint go into an inflammatory phase, essentially hitting the panic button and stop producing all of the really good things like hyaluronic acid and collagen, the things that are in your face mask, and start producing all of these really bad chemicals that are pro-inflammatory. So far, there's no cure, and treatment simply manages the problem. Researchers have found that if we take blood, spin it down, and concentrate all of the platelets with all their great growth factors and host peptides, we can inject it right back into the joint to help with the healing process. This is called platelet-rich plasma, or PRP. My research mentor and team developed something called Bioply, which is a more refined version of platelet-rich plasma. And when tested against the others, PRP, steroids, and a control, the Bioply was able to downregulate all of the pro-inflammatory bad stuff and upregulate all of the good chemicals like collagen and hyaluronic acid. Here's the roadblock. Bioply is not easy to make. It requires horse blood donors and takes about an entire day to process, which isn't bad, but imagine if we could make it more accessible. That's where I come in. Under the Schnabel Equine Sports Medicine Laboratory, my thesis focuses specifically on the individual peptides within Bioply and finding out what combination helps create that desired Bioply effect. Then, after we take these peptides, we can synthetically make them into a peptide cocktail to sell over the counter rather than making Bioply every time. So far from the peptides that we have found, we have been able to have amazing data that has rivaled the Bioply treatment. This is going to be able to help horse populations greatly, not to mention their translational effects into human medicine. And who knows, maybe someday in the future, someone that you love could be treated with one of our peptide cocktails.